One of few hydrogen-powered electric cars, the 2024 Toyota Mirai is the cheapest to reach 400 miles per charge. Despite skepticism, Toyota improves and promotes fuel cell technology in this sedan's second iteration. It's Toyota's rarest and most attractive, with a unique design and luxurious cabin finishes. It's only marketed in Southern California, the only state with hydrogen filling facilities. The Mirai goes beyond science. It's a luxurious, well-handling EV that refuels from dead to 100% in 5 minutes. No car on the market is like it, yet it has competitors. Like the Mirai, the Hyundai Nexo SUV is California only and uses hydrogen fuel cells. New in 2024? On the Mirai for 2024, only software improvements and new exterior paint colors are noticeable. Toyota Safety Sense, the Mirai's standard driving aids, upgrades from 2.5 Plus to 3.0. This version adds traffic jam assist and proactive drive assist, which slows cars without cruise control. Digital smartphone keys are optional on the XLE but standard on the Limited. Elemental Silver is now an option, and the XLE has Hydro Blue and 20-inch chrome wheels from the Limited. Finally, if you discover a Mirai, you'll see new badges that state FCEV and Beyond Zero, Toyota's latest slogan for producing non-EV cars. Which to buy and pricing the 2024 Toyota Mirai costs $51,325 to $68,250, depending on model and extras. The Toyota Mirai comes in 2 trims, Base XLE and Loaded Limited. We picked the cheaper one. Heated and power adjustable seats, keyless entry and ignition, full leather upholstery, and a 12.3-inch touchscreen are standard. All Mirai models come with a $15,000 fuel credit over 3 to 6 years, depending on leasing or buying, and 21 days of free vehicle rentals for trips away from hydrogen fueling stations. Motor, power, and EV performance fuel cell electric powertrains turn hydrogen gas into energy in the Toyota Mirai. This is a mobile chemical lab. The Mirai's direct drive system transmits 182 horsepower from its electric engine to the rear wheels. Toyota claims the Mirai takes 9.1 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour, but the electric motor's immediate power delivery makes it feel perkier around town. The rear-wheel drive chassis delivers a surprising level of athleticism while maintaining a refined and well-composed ride. Range, charge, battery life. Toyota claims the XLE can run 402 miles on hydrogen. The Limited model reduces the estimate to 357 miles. Both numbers place it near the top of the electric car pack, but limited hydrogen refueling infrastructure means drivers must stay in California.